Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Stuck home with the family, just like everyone else is lately. And just wanted to share a quick couple words with you guys about some food I'm making here. I got a bunch of stuff that's kind of getting old in the fridge, so I have some radishes, some peppers. I'm lucky to have gotten some bear leeks from my brother. He went and foraged those in the woods with his family. So we did a quick, handoff outside. And what else is in there? Some onions. So I'm just pan frying those in a little splash of olive oil. And then up here, I've got some frozen green beans at the top and some spaghetti going underneath. So just, I'm going to show it to you guys when it's done. But basically, just want to say a few words about this and talk about nutrition in general. So yeah, let's let this finish. I'll plate it up and show it to you guys. I'm going to take the peas out of here in a little bit and throw them in here and finish them there, and then I'll show it to you guys in a plate. So there we go. It's all plated up. I forgot to tell you guys, I also put in some sun-dried tomatoes in there, the bear leeks, some onion, and of course the other things I mentioned. I threw some seasonings in there, the usual, that I kind of throw into many of my dishes. And I think it's just a really great, easy to make meal. And for really like the calories, you're gonna need the pasta. In times like this when you might not be able to get out to the store as easily as you want to, or to get stuff at home, I really want to try to focus on using up everything I have in the fridge before I start thinking about even trying to go get anything else. So, normally I would definitely add some other kinds of things to here, but you are getting a fair bit of, nutrient dense kind of foods like the veggies in here, but you're not getting too many calories. So you're definitely going to have to eat this with, I would say, a pretty good sized portion of, pasta, the spaghetti to really get in enough calories. But I think, this is something that I feel fine doing, is getting a lot of calories from, quote unquote empty sources like this is just plain white pasta. It's not even whole wheat, but you're definitely going to get a lot of nutrients from the veggies here. You're even going to get enough fat probably from the olive oil that I used to cook it. And you could obviously add something else if you wanted to, but I mean, we have peanut butter at home. We have other sources. Yesterday I just made some pastries. Ferdinand, which is like a traditional Hungarian, it's kind of a holiday treat. Yesterday was snowing here, so I said, what better way to spend some time with the kids than making some holiday treats. So that came out pretty good. Definitely a lot of calories in that, but not a whole lot of nutrients. So this is kind of like a balance, but I think, people shouldn't worry too much. Like, you're definitely going to get enough if you try to balance in some fruits and veggies. We have a bunch of stuff in the freezer. I have dried fruits. We're pretty good to go for, I would say, quite a while. Probably last another week or two before I even think about going to the grocery store. So yeah, hopefully everybody's staying inside. Stay safe. Try to limit your exposure to other people. I think that's the best thing we can do at this point, even if you're not worried so much about the exposure for yourself. You don't want to be spreading it around to other people. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys are cooking, how people are making do. Are you facing any shortages? Stores here in Hungary, I would say, are fairly well stocked. I haven't really had any problems. I did go shopping early last week. I think that was the last time I went shopping. And there were definitely some shortages here and there for things, but you could just get something else. So instead of buying the rice that I usually got, I got some other kind, stuff like that. It was still fine. There were little inconveniences. I had to go to a couple stores to get everything that I wanted, but that's pretty much it. So I think if anything, when we get out of this, hopefully in another couple months or whatever, and things will hopefully go back to somewhat more of a normal situation, I think it would really behoove us all to think more about preparedness and having things on hand so that we don't have to leave our houses so often. And I'm going to make a separate video about that and just general preparedness and stuff. I know some of the people watching, like Hoople's cat, You know, they're all about preparedness and know a whole bunch of stuff. So I think check out you know, those kind of channels. Yeah, shout out to Hoople's Cat. I'll put a link in the description. Check out his channel, and yeah, just try to think about things that that you can do so that you don't have to go out so much. You know, do you have canned beans? Do you have frozen fruit? Do you have frozen veggies? Stuff like that. The dried goods, obviously, they last for, you know, pretty much indefinitely. Like, as long as you keep things dry. You know, flour, beans, rice, pasta, the other grains, barley, oats, you know, all these kinds of things, they stay good for virtually indefinitely. So yeah, I mean, we're pretty good. We got a bunch of canned things, and yeah, I think we're good. So yeah, I hope everybody's good. Hope to see you in another video soon. Take care. Be well, everybody. Bye.